Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and the game to minimize interruptions. Close background apps so Pubg has free RAM and stable performance. Once done, launch Pubg and tap the settings gear icon. This gets you directly into the controls that matter. Make sure you're in the Audio and Voice tab so you can disable chat sounds. This first action reduces network noise and prevents accidental toggles, giving you a clean slate before you enable Do Not Disturb in-game. Now focus on the detailed switches that implement Do Not Disturb. You should toggle voice chat off to mute teammates and strangers, then disable in-game tips and prompts so no pop-ups interrupt your view. Next, go to your phone settings and set Pub notifications to silence or block. On Android, use app notifications. On iPhone, use notifications Pubg. Doing these steps together ensures both in-game and system-level interruptions are silenced, keeping your session distraction-free. Finish by validating your setup. Start a practice match and listen for any chat or pop-up sounds. Confirm voice chat and notifications are silent. Make sure you didn't accidentally revoke essential permissions like microphone if you plan to re-enable voice later. If you still hear interruptions, reboot the phone, reopen Pubg, and recheck both in-game and system notification settings. This quick troubleshoot usually resolves sync issues and gets you back to uninterrupted gameplay within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.